Ang nakakaat sa Voltes 5 Legacy.
Voltes team, we salute you.
It's way too quiet and might be up to something na hindi natin alam.
May nasasagap akong malakas na enerhiya mula sa islang yan. Malamang sa nagtatago si Voltes 5.
Pinapakilala ko ang bago nating kampyon. Yan si Weizanger.
Mark, hindi ko alam kung ano yung rason kung bakit ang sungit mo. Kung may problema ka man, dito lang kami para sa'yo. Andito ako, andito kaming apat. Sana i-appreciate mo rin kami.
Paano mo liligawan si Jamie hanggang ngayon hindi ka makawala dun kay Eva?
Ang problemahin nyo, yung regalo nyo kay Mama kasi wala pa kayo.
Ano po wish niya?
Well, wala na akong mahihiling pa for myself, so ang hiniling ko na lang, sana lagi kayong safe, tsaka sana matupad yung mga wish niyo.
Talaga, meron akong crush.
Uy, talaga ba? Uy, paano na si Eva?
Ang totoo niyan, wala akong crush kasi nag-iimbento lang yung mga yan.
Steve!
Babe,
may gusto ang boyfriend mo kay Jamie. Narinig ko sila nag-uusap magkakapatid.
Sa itsura pa lang ni Weizanger, kikilabutan ng mga taga-Terra Air.
Ibinuhos namin ang aming kaalaman sa paglikha sa kanya. Hindi na namin kayo papahiya ngayon, Jomfre.
Itigil na ang pagsasani ng Weizanger. Pasugurin ito sa kalab. Nang magkaalaman kung sino talaga ang mas mahusay.
You are all chosen to defend our planet Earth from Bozanian invasion. Are you ready to defend our planet?
Yes, sir!
Voltes 5 team, because of your extraordinary skills and abilities and your personal destinies, kayo ang last defense ng mundo nito. Should other defense plan fail, we are counting on you. All of us should aim to achieve the highest standards of battle. Anything less is not acceptable. So today, prepare yourselves, for we are going to implement a critical test.
The Voltes 5 team shall openly attack the camp as though they are Bozanians. At magka-counterattack naman ng camp na parang totoong alien invaders ang Voltes 5. We will be using live ammunitions. Turn-off safety protocols. At susubukin ng drill na ito ang husay ng Voltes 5 at ang Camping Falcon's strategy for defense. Are there any questions?
No safety protocols. So pag tinamaan kami, game over.
Live ammunition niya. Kaboom! We're dead.
I hope Jamie gets hit.
Team, this drill will help us prepare ourselves in case of an actual Bozanian attack. That's why all of us should do our best.
Yes, sir! We are ready.
Everyone, prepare for live weapons drill. To your stations!
Let's go.
Eka, pero hindi lang to simpleng drill, ah.
O tapos, So wala kang tiwala sa training mo simula ng mga bata pa tayo? Ha?
Wala akong masyadong training, kuya.
Guys, we got this. Natalo na nga natin yung kalaban, di ba? Nagawa na natin to tapos dito matatakot pa tayo?
Anong laging sinasabi ni Mama? Be brave! Be strong!
Be brave! Be strong!
Attention everyone. This is a live exercise with live ammunition. Let's see what these kids can do.
The Voltes team is away!
Voltes team, prepare to engage. Here we go.
Begin exercise.
Ibang klase talaga yung Camping Falcon, no?
Hindi ko ata kayang atakihin at sirain itong gawa ni Papa.
Me too. Huwag na lang kaya natin to gawin, Kuya Steve. Balik na tayo.
Yo guys, let's be serious. Kahit drill lang to, hindi lang tayo papatawarin.
Let's show them no mercy. Diba this is what they want? Then let's give it to them.
Alam nyo na gagawin nyo. Let the battle begin.
Roger!
Attack pattern Delta.
Attack commencing. Watch out, guys.
Woo!
Dito dyan! Focus!
Deploy countermeasures!
Good job, Voltes team.
Kala ninyo may isaan nyo kami, ha?
Tingnan nga natin ang galing nila. Launch Falcon missiles. Full spread.
Happy New Year, guys! Skyrocket!
Thunder Shurikens!
Good job, Jamie. Good job, Lieutenant Robinson.
Tikna ako dun ah! Woo! Nagalit nila ako. Tara.
Dito nanggagaling ang kakaibang enerhiyang sinasabi ko sa inyo, Prinsipe Santos.
General Draco, umpisahan ang pag-atake!
Nakaisa sa atin ng Voltes team.
Nice! Sino na direct hit sa inyo sa cap?
Not me.
Hindi rin ako.
Lalo na ako.
Kung hindi isa sa atin, kanino galing yun?
Wait. It didn't come from them.
Brazilian energy signature confirmed!
The Brazilians are back! Battle stations, everyone!
Aye, aye, sir. CBF defense protocol activated.
Tactical station reports ready.
Engineering station ready. Medical and life support reports ready.
Alert. Intruder alert.
It's a beast fighter!
Beast fighter? Na naman? Talagang tinaon nila na nagtitraining tayo.
Just hold on, Commander Robinson. Kami na ang bahala.
Guys, this is it. This is the real thing, okay? Roger!
Not a drill. Abort training.
Richard, you have the control. I'm flying back to EDF headquarters.
Godspeed, Oscar.
Chief Kelly, once I'm out, raise the shields.
Aye, aye, sir.
Team, get ready for the real battle. Let's go. Huwag niyo siyang hayaan makalapit sa camp. And don't give him a chance to retaliate. Roger?
Roger!
Commander Robinson's helicopter is clear from base. Activating shields.
Boomerang!
Bomber missile!
Bandra missile!
Lander missile! Frigate missile!
Whoa! Watch out! Mark, break left!
Itsumbaka ka ngayon.
Yabang naman ng kalabaw na to.
Nakatayo pa rin siya? Parang hindi siya tinablan.
Di man lang siya tinablan sa mga missile natin, ha?
Nakakatakot. At hindi ang kalaban natin.
I can't believe this. Kahit anong gawin ng Voltes 5, parang hindi apektado ang Beast Fighter. Pinagandaan talaga tayo. Alam nila kung saan ang location natin.
Commander Robinson, anong nangyayari?
Marianne, I can barely hear you. Wala na ako sa CBF. Hello, Marianne?
Commander Robinson! Hello? Hello?
Patch me to Camp Ibaka. Copy, sir.
Yes, Commander.
Has anyone seen Marianne? She was trying to call me kaya lang nakat yung line. Sigurado ako nagwo-worry na yun sa mga anak niya.
Sergeant Major.
Sir.
Locate Dr. Marion Armstrong now.
Copy that, sir.
Protect the camp at all costs. Team, attack!
Incoming! Evasive maneuvers!
Patalo na lang ba tayo sa kanya?
Leave it to me. Bomber ring!
He's too strong! Hindi ko siya matrip!
Kailangan natin tulungan ng Voltes team.
I agree. Chief, arm Hawk missiles.
Armed!
On my signal.
Engage! Full attack!
Launch!
Missiles away!
Let's finish him! Let's vote!
Now the real fun begins.
Let's fight!
Oh, pasugod! Lahi talagang toro tong isang to ah!
Brace for impact!
Voltes team, status. Voltes team, do you hear me? Voltes team, do you copy?
Voltes team, report! Jamie, narinig mo ba ako? Please respond!
Master Chief, bilisan mo. We need to reach the headquarters as fast as we can.
Copy, Doc.
Security! Back to CBF immediately! And stay alert!
Oh my God. Ano nangyayari?
Sige pa!
Paslangin mo ang lahat ng umaatake sa atin.
Take over!
Commander! Doctor! Tactical detects enemy approaching!
What on earth is that?
Oh, that's creepy.
Ano yan?
It's a skull. A symbol of death.
Trying to intimidate. Psych warfare.
Might be another beast fighter.
Kung ano man yan, hopefully hindi niya ma-penetrate ang barrier ng Camp Big Falcon.
Hopefully talaga.
Susunod sa Voltes 5 Legacy.
Oh no, naka-activate na ang barrier. Hindi na tayo makakapasok. Kawawa naman ang isang yan. Hindi makabalik sa kanilang himpilan.
Paglaruan mo ang isang to.
Kakalamang ka na, ha? Voltes Bazooka!
Sige pa, kuya! Sige pa!
Locate na ba si Dr. Armstrong?
Negative, Doctor.
Tama yung ginagawa niyo, Voltes Team. Chase that damn monster away. Para hindi niya nang umatake sa CBF.
Loud and clear, General.
Malakas ang kutob kung mataas ang kanyang katungkulan sa puwersa ng mga taga-Terra Air 2. Kailangan niyang mamatay.